welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from Boise, Idaho. Today our topic will be explaining why WordPress is the best content management system out there. As far as design goes, it has many more possibilities compared to other content management systems. It also has advanced functionality, so if you have any idea of how something should work or how you want it to work, we can make it work. Next, it's the #1 search engine optimization. WordPress allows for many SEO optimizations such as basic title, meta, alt tags, and for all posts and pages, as well as schema options. There are many options for a drag and drop page as well. Most builders are similar to content management system for easy updating and easy adjusting. And finally, WordPress has a variety of plugins to assist with the page speed that many other content management systems do not have. For more information, make sure to check out our website, getsocialized.com.